What up, bro? What up, bro? What up, bro? Come on, bro. I just want to shake hands. Shake hands, bro. Just want to shake hands, bro. Don't be afraid. I don't bite. Come on, bro. Come on. You know you want the attention. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, get closer. Alright, bro. You could trust me, bro. Just got done playing Roblox. Come on. You could trust me. Come on, please. Please. Well, is that your mom? Is that your mom? Sir, is that your mom? Is that your mom or your wife? Is that your mom or your wife? Or your brother or sister? Whatever you. That's a big bitch. I hate those things. Come on. Come on, bro. You don't have to mess. I won't mess up. Bro, come on. Trust me. Don't go in the water. Don't go in the water. Bro, the water is dirty. Come on, come on, come on. I'm super clean. Bro, I'm super clean. I'm super clean. Yeah, I'm super clean. Come on. Come on, I'm super clean. Come on. I have no germs. That has a bunch of germs. Look at all that. That's disgusting. This is my neighborhood. Very amazing. All this running space, and over there is the pool. Right there where my finger is pointing, that's the pool. We have 2 pools. It's amazing. Are you guys just gonna sit there? Are you guys just gonna sit there? I think that's a yes. Stop looking around. That's the mother. That's the husband. I'm assuming. This is in filth. Oh God, they're making a new Nutrisystem type thing. I'm joking. Come on. Bro. Bro. Come on. Don't leave. Don't leave. Where are you going? Where are you going, little dude? Yes, go. This is my chance. It's sticking out its tongue at me. Yep, that's the sun. I'm videoing.
No, turn it off and now take a picture of it because it's right there in front of you.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't get too close.
I did a couple pictures. I almost fell. Curse you now. Yeah, that's like the mother. That's the child. That keeps on sticking its tongue at me and going. That one doesn't do anything. Watch. As I get close. See, this guy will just walk away. This guy will walk away but go. That looks skinny. That looks fat. Junk ate a lot. Mercedes Benz. I'm joking. That's an SUV. Why you gotta be so rude? Get away from my log. Get away. My log. Precious log. Good boy. Good boy. It got trashed. Oh, today's a good day. I gotta go. That guy's cleaning his car. Sorry, dude. I must invade your privacy. That guy's cleaning his car. Things pure black. God. I want everything to be clean. There's actually a guy who has a really dark car. He washes it almost every day before going to work. He probably doesn't even have one. Yo, this is filthy. It comes from that. It's like pollen. Is that pollen? Yep, that's pollen. You can tell from that weird junk. You can tell probably, I think pollen comes from this thing. Right? Comment in the comment section if you guys know where pollen comes from. Please. Thank you. There's some fish. You guys see that? How it's moving? Alright. Sorry guys, I gotta end the video right here.